Welcome to this Lockout Tagout safety training. Let's get started. Every year, preventable incidents happen because equipment wasn't fully de-energized. In short, this short video, you'll learn the Lockout Tagout steps that keep you and your team safe. Lockout Tagout Lodo is the process of isolating energy sources and securing them with locks and tags so machinery can't start unexpectedly. The goal is simple: reach a verified zero-energy state before work begins. Before touching anything, review the job plan, permits, and single-line diagrams. Confirm who's in charge. One authorized person leads the Lodo. Wear the right PPE for the verification steps. Follow these 6 steps every time. Inform affected personnel. Identify all energy sources, primary and secondary. For electrical systems, trace upstream breakers, control circuits, and any stored energy. Stop the machine using normal controls. E-stop is not isolation. Perform an orderly shutdown to prevent hazards. Open disconnects, open upstream breakers, remove fuses where applicable, and isolate control power. For mixed energy equipment, also close valves and bleed pressure. Apply a personal lock and a durable tag at each isolation point. Each worker uses their own lock, no shared keys. Discharge capacitors, block moving parts, bleed pneumatic hydraulic lines, and verify springs are restrained. Test before touch. Try to start with normal controls. Nothing should run. Then use an adequately rated tester to verify absence of voltage. Test the tester, test the circuit, test the tester again. Keep locks and tags in place. For multiple workers, use a group lockbox. Each person places their own lock on the hasp or box. Maintain clear communication and housekeeping. If the scope changes, pause and reassess the Lodo. To restore service: 1. Inspect the area, tools out, guards reinstalled. 1. Clear personnel and remove tags, locks, each worker removes their own. 1. Re-energize in a controlled manner and perform functional checks. Lodo is non-negotiable. Follow the steps every time. For site-specific details, read your plant's written Lodo procedure and panel labeling. Here are the 8 types we'll cover. 1. Padlocks, safety locks. 2. Lockout hasps, including multi-lock hasps. 3. Valve lockouts, gate/ball/lever. 4. Circuit breaker lockouts. 5. Plug cord lockouts. 6. Cable lockout. 7. Lockout boxes, group lockout devices. 8. Tagout devices, warning tags.
Padlocks are our basic physical locks for isolating energy points. These are non-reusable by unauthorized people. Only the person who attached the lock should remove it. They come in different materials, steel, aluminum, and different keying, individual versus keyed alike.
Single operator control: 1 person, 1 lock, 1 key. Locks should be durable, clearly marked with owner name ID.
A hasp lets multiple people lock out a single isolating device. Each worker attaches their padlock to the hasp. The equipment cannot be re-energized until every padlock is removed.
Use for group maintenance. Each worker keeps their own key. Removing someone else's lock is not allowed.
Valve lockouts physically block handles on valves, flange, ball, or gate valves. Choose the device designed for the type and size of valve handle.
Prevent accidental valve movement. Use the correct size and style to fit securely without damaging equipment.
These clamp or cover devices fit over breakers to prevent them being switched on, suitable for panel and molded case breakers.
Ensure the breaker is in the off position before applying. Use device designed for your breaker type.
For equipment with removable power cords, plug lockouts trap the plug so it can't be reinserted, isolating the equipment from electrical power.
Use when source disconnect is the plug, safer than leaving cord unplugged where it could be reconnected.
Cable lockouts are flexible loops that can isolate multiple devices or awkward isolation points. They work with padlocks and are great when several disconnects are in a row.
Use high-strength cable rated for your environment. Thread through isolation points, then secure with padlocks.
Lockout boxes allow a single key for the energy isolation to be placed inside a secure box. Each worker affixes their lock to the box. The energy can't be restored until all workers remove their locks from the box.
Common for complex or long-duration group jobs. The key is kept inside. Only when all personal locks are removed is the box opened.
Tags are durable warning devices that state who applied the lockout, date, reason, and contact info. Tags are not a substitute for a lock. They supplement locks where locks cannot be used or are used alongside locks.
Tags warn, they don't physically prevent operation. Use them with locks when possible.
Scenario: pump maintenance requires isolation of motor, breaker, feed valve and control plug. Technician A turns off pump breaker, applies circuit breaker lockout, places breaker key in lockout box. Technician B closes and locks valve with valve lockout plus padlock. Both attach personal padlocks to the lockout box hasp. Both fill and attach tags with name, date, reason. Now the job is safe. Both technicians' locks must be removed before anyone can restore power. Always follow your written lotto procedure. Verify isolation before starting work. Try to start equipment after lockout to confirm de-energized. Only the person who applied a personal lock may remove it. Exceptions require documented supervisor action and attempt to contact the owner. Keep tags legible and complete. Use durable, purpose-built devices. Do not improvise with zip ties or wire. Store devices in a central lockout kit. Quick quiz. True or false? A tag alone provides the same physical protection as a padlock? When should you use a cable lockout? Who can remove another worker's padlock? Equipment. Authorized person, department, date, time, reason for LO, tow, contact. Number. That's the quick run-through of the 8 types of lockouts, tag-out devices, and how we use them. If you want, we can run hands-on practice now. 2 volunteers to demo applying a breaker lockout and hasp. Any questions? Keep demos slow and deliberate. Show close-ups of how each device secures a component. Reinforce that a physical lock plus a clear tag equals best practice. If required, reference your site's Lotto procedure number and provide trainees a laminated 1-page cheat sheet. 1-page checklist, identify energy sources, notify affected personnel, shut down equipment, isolate energy using the correct device, apply personal padlock and tag, verify de-energized by testing, perform maintenance, inspect area and remove tools, remove locks and re-energize only when safe.